Next question, coming to the 15th question. So as we know, till 14th we have been completed yesterday. Coming to the 15th question, can read anyone?
Water is transported through xylem vessels.
Yes.
Plant takes place through.
So as we know, in plants we have two kinds of vessels. One is xylem vessels. What is the another? What is opposite? Next one. One is xylem. Another one is what?
Phloem.
Huh?
Xylem and phloem, sir.
Xylem and phloem vessels. So xylem will transport the water and phloem will transport the food. That is what the importance, main functions of them. Is it yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
No. Yes. Now they are asking xylem vessels. Now, what is transported? Water is transported through xylem vessels. Now, plant takes place through which one they are asking? So, in the xylem vessels, which one? Sieve tubes only, or sieve tubes along with the companion cells, or both xylem and phloem, or sieve tubes or phloem fibers. So, as we know, who is involving guys in transporting water? Only xylem. So two options you can eliminate here. What is that? Both xylem and phloem and sieve tube phloem fibers. So as we know, option C and D we can eliminate. So either A or B will come. But as we know, you may remember while I'm teaching. So the transporting water both can help. What is that? Sieve tubes along with the water.
Companion cells.
Companion cells. That is, no, sieve tubes alone cannot transport the water. So they have to take the help from the companion cells, means one cell after another cell. That is what we used to call as transporting from the bottom, from the root to the top of the tree. So water is transported to the xylem vessels. How? Along with the sieve tubes and with the companion cells. That is what the correct answer. Are you understand, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next, 16th question. You can read the 16th question. So which of the following ray diagram is correct for that? Don't take much, more than 10 seconds. So what is this one? Can you able to answer? What is this mirror? First you tell me that. What is this mirror? Concave or concave? Huh?
Concave.
Concave mirror. Very good, Jesse. So now they are saying that which of the following ray diagram is correct for the reflected ray of light when a ray of light is incidented on a concave mirror as shown in the figure. Now, let me see who will say light ray is inserted here. What, guys? How, guys? It is inserted. It is inserted parallel to the principal axis. Is it yes or no, Humaira, Arun Karthikeyan? It is inserted parallel to the principal axis. Now, if you have inserted parallel to the principal axis, where the reflected ray will go? As we know that, where the reflected ray
Through focus.
it will go through the
Through.
focus. That's all. So now you can check the options and you can see. So which ray diagram is correct? Figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is correct?
Figure 4. Figure 4.
4. So now, why it is figure 4? Because as we know, when the light ray is inserted parallel to the principal axis, the reflected light ray will go through the focus. Or else the light ray will be inserted to the focus, will become parallel to the principal axis. That is what the property we have been studied. So what is the correct prism, Ra? What is the correct picture? So option D, the figure 4 is the correct option. Understand, Arvind? Bhumika, Yalini? Try to speak, Prahasini, everybody. Next, the speed of light is maximum in where? The speed of light in maximum. Speed of light in maximum. Speed of light is maximum. Vacuum or air. So what is
vacuum, sir?
Yes,
Vacuum.
As we know that speed is also is equals to 3 into how much, Ra? 10 power 8. Understand? So 10 power 8 meter per second. Is it yes or no? So speed of light is maximum in air or vacuum. That value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. That is what we know that. Next. So this lens diagram. What is this case? Can you able to see here? When object is placed, anybody can say without object. Let me see who will guess the answer. Yes. So this is the convex lens. Object is placed beyond what, guys? Beyond
2F1.
Beyond 2F1. So what is the characteristics? Let me see. Karthikeyan can speak. Karthikeyan, if you place the object beyond 2F1, where the image will form and what is the characteristics of the image? Harini, Jesse, Now you have to speak.
Sir, real, inverted, and diminished.
Real, inverted, and diminished. Very good. Where is the position of the image? Between F2 and 2F. Yes or no? Very good. What happened to others? Karthikeyan, I asked you, why are you not opening your mouth? So when the object is placed beyond 2F1, very good, Jesse. That is what? See, positions and characteristics of image, even when, whatever the situation I will ask you, you must able to tell. Then only we will proceed further. Definitely the question will come from that. As I said, you concern about every time. So object is placed beyond 2F. So the image will form between F2 and 2F2, and that is a real, inverted, and diminished image. This is what we have been studying. I think this is the case number 4. Is it S? If my guess is true, case number 5 it is. Is it S, guys? Case number 5. Yes or no? So now read the answers and tell me ABCD. Which is the correct answer? First option you can see. An object is placed behind the center of curvature of a convex lens. The real image is formed at the center of curvature. Is it possible, guys? Image is not
No,
formed
sir.
at the center of curvature. Between the F2 and 2F2 means that is you have to remember. So second option you can see. An object is placed behind the center of curvature. Yes, behind the 2F1 center of curvature. Understanding, and the real image is formed between the center of curvature and focus. Is it right or wrong, guys? Center of
Sir,
curvature.
correct, sir.
Yes, yes. And even here it is not mentioned. What is that? It is a real image, inverted, and a diminished image. What is that? Diminished image.
Next image.
You have to remember it. Are you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. Next, 19th one. Observe here, by this time you can see that this is the question already we people guessed. Is it Esra? I told you or not? From this definitely the question will come. Every board exam, understanding. Now, whatever the sample paper we are seeing, the question related to the respiration of human body. Is there or not? Is there or not? Yes, now
Sir.
this sample paper is also having. So let us see what is the question they are asking. So as we know that yesterday only I have sent you on some link. In that we have a respiratory system at a starting point. Can you say what is that? First nasal cavity, next one is pharynx, next one is larynx, next one is what? Trachea, and next one is
Trachea.
bronchus and bronchioles, and later only it will go to the
Bronchioles.
alveolus. Is it as
Alveoli.
Yes, alveolus.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the answer here? Now you can check it. They are asking missing terms. So now, nasal cavity is there, pharynx is there. What is the second part here missing? Missing, guys?
Larynx.
Larynx. Next, this is first one. First one we want. What is this called as first one?
Yeah.
First part. Speak here, everybody. First part is trachea, second part is larynx, and third one. Third part is called as what?
Bronchus.
Bronchus.
And what is the fourth part? Fourth part is
Bronchioles.
Bronchioles.
So now that is, you can see it and tell me which option is correct. So based upon that, I will proceed further. Huh?
Option A.
Option A. Option A, check it, amma. Option A,
Option
first
C,
one is
sir.
larynx is there. Option A, first one is larynx. Yavni.
Option B.
Option 1 is what? You can check it. Option 1 is what, guys? Trachea. Option 2
Trachea.
is what? Larynx. Is it yes or no?
Larynx.
To confuse only. See, to make you confused, they have given 1 here and 2 here. Have you noticed it? Please don't get
Yes, sir.
confused. Okay. So what is the correct order now? First one is trachea. Second one is what?
Larynx.
Larynx. And
Larynx,
third one
bronchus,
is
bronchioles.
bronchus, and fourth one is bronchiolus. Understand? That is. So now, what is the correct answer here? Karthikeyan, what are you doing? You can leave from the meeting if you are not speaking. Arun Karthikeyan and Karthikeyan also. Elamati, everybody, why simply you are coming and going? I don't like this one. So what is the correct answer? Trachea, larynx, bronchus, and bronchiolus. So option C is the correct answer. That's all. So next one. So this is the statement regarding villi. So what is the function of villi? Can you say first one? Forget about the options. What is the function of villi, guys?
creating more space for absorption of food.
Very good. Yeah, others don't know people. You people don't know. Only Tarani and Jesse is speaking. Others are why are you then? You don't know what is the functioning of villi. First, you tell me where the villi are present. Villi are present in small intestine. Correct, guys?
Small intestine. Yes,
So
sir.
as we know, what is the functioning of small intestine?
Absorption of
So digestion is ends in small intestine. So there,
Digestion and absorption.
yes. So now villi. So what is the functioning of villi? Villi will increases the surface area to make it complete digestion. Next one, the supply of blood vessels. Blood vessels will be rich or poor? Rich or poor? That is what I am asking. Arvind. Very rich. Correct.
sir.
Oxygenated blood will also be supplied through the capillaries. So the blood vessels will be having very rich. And next one, they have microvillis also. Yesterday only you people asked me that name is also called as something. I think somebody asked me. So villis again having some kind of a structure. Suppose this is called as villis. Now middle we have a small like this shapes. Have you noticed it, guys? This is called as what we should call microvillis. What we should call microvillis. Understanding? So this will also useful to increase more surface area. So this is what the structure of villis. Now, what is the regarding wrong statement, false statement regarding they are asking. So now, which of the following is the false statement regarding villis? First one you can see. They increase the surface area. Yes, it is true. They are supplied with the capillaries and vessels. Yes, it is also true. Next, they have microvillis. Yes, true. Next one.
Option D, sir.
Option D.
They participate in digestion of proteins. So is it they are participating in digestion of proteins, guys? Proteins will be digested at home. Proteins will be digested
Stomach.
at home.
Proteins will be digested in stomachs.
Stomach, sir.
And also which is done by whom? Proteins will be digested by whom? Bhumika?
Pepsin, sir.
Pepsin. So pepsin which is secreted by whom? Ra? Let me see who will answer.
Wild, sir. Wild.
Gastric juices.
Secreted by pepsin is secreted by bile juice, bile. What are you talking about?
Gastric juices.
Huh? Pepsin will be secreted by whom, guys? Prahasini, Himaira?
stomach.
Gastric juices, sir.
What gastric juices? Stomach will secrete the pepsin. Next, three will
Stomach, sir.
by one thing. What is that? Very good, Bhumika. So three will be secreted. Next one, what? Trypsin, amylase, and lipase will be secreted by what? Will be secreted.
Pancreas, sir.
Pancreas.
Yes. What you are speaking also don't know, Karthikeyan. Still unable to learn that. 1,000 times I have taught you. Stomach will secrete pepsin, and pancreas will secrete what, guys? Trypsin, amylase, and lipase, and liver will secrete the bile juice. And this bile juice will be stored in where, guys? It will be stored in gallbladder. And the intestine, small intestines will secrete the intestinal juices. So which will help in digestion of little bit like complete digestion. So which they contains villi structures. Now hydrochloric acid is also secreted by what, guys? It is stomach only.
Stomach.
That is. So what is the main functioning of hydrochloric acid? To activate the pepsin to digest the proteins. Yes or no? Yes, Ra?
Yes, sir.
And also breakdown. Now, that is what clarity you have to maintain, Karthikeyan. And every time you are committing mistake, it is not good. Understand? One time is accepted. Yeah. Be clear. Pepsin means stomach. You cannot remember that. Next one. This is also the question which we used to guess. Every time the question is to come in. You may be notice it regarding stomatal pores and guard cells. Most of the sample papers having question. Have you noticed it? That is also. Yes, Tarani, Himaira, Harini. That is. So answer this question, Harini. Let me see. Prasini, you. So in the following sketch of the stomatal operators, the part 1, 2, 3, 4 are labeled differently by 4 students. Now the correctly labeled of the following is they are asking. So let me see who will answer. So as we know, yes, you people answer. So first thing we know, like a kidney bean shaped structures is called as what, guys?
Heart cells.
God.
God sense.
Very good. Next one. Option 2 you can see middle, that pore is called as what? Is that middle?
Stoma.
That pore is called as, that hole is called as what? Stomatal pore.
Stoma.
Stomatal pore or stoma. Next one.
Sir, A.
Yeah, the
Option
blue
A,
Sir,
sir.
option A, sir.
The blue color
God,
things
sir.
are called as what? The blue color things are called as what? The blue color things are called as, the blue color things are called as nucleus, and the sides rings are present, like a rings, a small rings are present. That is what we know, that like this one. So that is called as, what is this called as? They are called as chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
That is.
Plus.
Is what you have to remember. So, what is the correct answer? First one is God cells, next one is stomata, and next one is chloroplast, and fourth one is what, guys? Nucleus.
Nucleus.
So, what is the correct answer?
Option A, sir.
Option A is the correct answer. Understand? Elamati, Humaira, that is. Just see. That is finished. Next. Let me see this question. Again came this question. Have you noticed it? Day before, when Sunday, I have given you some practice question. In that also, this tabular column will be there. Have you noticed it? That is the reason I used to give you that link. Have you seen that? Yes or no? Please at least respond. Have you seen the tabular column? Yes, guys?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer, please. What is the correct answer? Which substances are produced by anaerobic respiration in yeast? They are asking. So let me see who will answer. Yeast. Option. Option. As we know, anaerobic respiration in yeast will produce
Yes, sir.
alcohol.
Carbon dioxide and alcohol.
Alcohol, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Yes or no? The tabular column, you may remember, even options also not changed. Do you remember? Alcohol or ethanol it will produce. Ethanol is only we should call as. Ethanol is the alcohol, example of alcohol. Yes or no? That is. So which substances are produced by anaerobic respiration in yeast, guys? Bhumika? It is carbon dioxide and alcohol. No lactic
Alcohol.
acid, no water. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Sir.
After observing various slides showing different stages of binary fission in amoeba, a student draws the following diagrams. However, these diagrams may not be in proper sequence. So identify the correct sequence of the below stages they are asking. So can you answer proper identifying the below stages? So first, this you can see, this one can come at last. Yes or no, guys? This one come at first. So this is, you can remember first thing. So 3 can come at first and 4th can come at last. See, but that is why. With, see, they for every option they have given 3 and 4 last. Have you noticed it, Ra? 3 and 4 last, first and last. Yes or no? That is. So let me see. So what is the correct sequence, guys? Anybody can guess?
Sir, option D.
D, sir.
Very good. Option D is the correct answer. Why means you can see. So first, this is the first one. Next, see, it is almost slightly will be going to separate into double nucleus. So here middle, some kind of a like pressed things it is forming. So next, that is the second one. Next, what is the third one, guys? What is the third one? You can check it. Third one.
This one.
Third one will be fifth one, because little bit it is structured more, and if it comes to the first one, it is structured little bit more, and finally it will break it into 2 individual, correct or not? 2 individual parts. So that is what. So what is the correct sequence right here? What is the correct sequence, guys?
Option D.
D.
Option
3, 2, 5, 1.
Option D, that is. So here, sir, why can't option 4, option 1, sir? You people may be asked. Have you seen here, this option 1, the outer surface is also ready to break here. Have you noticed it? Here bent, but here it is not. Have you seen? Have you seen, guys? That is the reason why we are choosing the option D. Is it okay, guys? Speak.
Yes,
Yes. Yes, that is the reason. So that is why option D is the correct answer. So option A also people can think, but option A here, it is not started. That is why option C exchanging here. 4 and 1 and 4 is coming. So be very careful with that. The shapes you have to remember. So next, Ria placed a water bottle at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. In front of a convex mirror, which has a focal length of 20 centimeter. So the image will be formed at their asking. So let me see who will answer. It's a mirror given. Which mirror given? That is, you should understand. Which mirror given? Which mirror given? Which mirror given here?
Option A. Convex.
So convex mirror. What is the property of convex mirror? Anybody? Arun Karthikeyan, Dileepan. What
The image will form behind the mirror.
the image will form always behind the mirror. Correct or not? That characteristics what? Always virtual, diminished and erect image. Yes or no, Jesse? Now,
Yes,
they have
sir.
given object distance is 20 centimeter and focal length is also 20 centimeter. Now, where the image will form, they are asking. So we want to find 1 by V. So what is the formula? So 1 by V, which is equals to what? First you have to write mirror formula. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So from that you can write, so 1 by F minus what will come, guys? Minus 1 by U. Is it right or wrong? Yes,
Yes, sir.
no? That is you have to remember. So now what will come, guys? Please respond. What will come, guys, here?
B
So
is equal to 10 centimeters.
positive or negative? F is positive or negative? That is what I want. F is positive or negative? So
Positive, sir.
Positive.
negative 1 by V, which is equals to 1 by 20. Next minus. Next what will come, Ra? 1 by minus 20. Is it yes, guys? Next, so 1 by V, which is equals to what will come? So 1 by 20. 1 by 20 plus minus of minus, what will become, Arvind? 1 by 20.
1 by 20 plus.
Yes, plus 1 by 20. So now what is the LCM, guys? LCM is already same. So now 1 by V is equals to what will come, Ra? So 1 plus 1 divided by LCM is how much, Ra? 20. Is it yes, guys? So now which is equals
sir.
to 1 by V is equals to how much? 2 by 20. So 2 by 20 means, so V is equals to how much, guys? V is equals to
10.
that's all. So please solve it. Everybody solve it. Have you solved it?
Option A. sir.
Yeah, option A. Don't take much time like this numericals. Numericals, we are very perfect. Yes or no? If they will ask you magnification, what you will do, guys? Which formula will use here? Let me see who will answer. If suppose they will ask you magnification.
By F minus.
Yes.
F
So
by
it
F
is
minus U.
mirror and object distance and focal length given. So which formula will use? F minus V divided by, so sorry, it is object distance and focal length given. So F divided by what? F divided by F minus U. That formula we can use for magnification directly. Yes, Arvind? We are not supposed
Yes,
to use
sir.
normal formula. Please kindly remember that. So whenever they will ask you magnification like this, Akilar Fan, are you able to understand Akilar Fan, Arya? So you can use directly that formula. But here they are asking only image distance, so that we are using normal formula. So we used to get V is equals to how much, Ra? V is equals to 10 centimeters. So what is the correct answer? And 10 centimeter, it is positive. Positive means mirrors, where it will form? Behind the mirror or in front of the mirror? It is the
mirror.
behind the mirror. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. That is what you have to remember it. That's all. So now section A is completed successfully. Now let us into the section B. How you felt, guys? Is it easy or difficult? But still we are not able to get full marks. So why? It is, you have to question yourself. Prasini, Humaira, Not all answering. Harini also. So try to speak. Yes. Next section B. Coming to the section B. Try to select perfectly 20 questions. That is what we want. Perfectness is not there. Reading skills. Read how I am reading. My reading itself will give you the answer. That is what you people need to develop that skill. While reading itself, most probably we people can guess the answer. So kindly analyze the question in such a way. Then easily we can make it. So now section B. Coming to section B. What is the first question? Anybody can say. Which are the following reactions is a
FeSO for solution with silver metal, sir.
which are the following is a displacement reaction? You can check it here. MgCl2 solution with aluminum metal. First, what is the metal activity series? Anybody? Arya? Metal activity series. Metal activity series.
Potassium,
Never call me
sodium.
I like hydrogen, call me a pretty girl. Yes or no? Please never call me a pretty girl. So first reaction, is it possible? First one? No, not possible.
No,
Why
sir.
it is not possible? Because magnesium is more reactive than aluminum. Yes or no? Ra? Yes.
sir.
That is. Next, second one, sodium chloride is reacting with a copper metal. So here also,
No,
no.
sir.
Why guys? So
No,
sodium is more reactive than copper. Next, iron is silver. Iron sulfate with a silver. No. Why guys? Iron sulfate with a silver also no.
No, sir.
Anybody? Because
Minus
iron is more reactive than what? Ra? Iron is more
silver.
reactive than silver. So not possible. But last one you can check it. Silver nitrate with a copper metal. Yes, it will possible.
Yes, sir.
So what is it will happen? So AgNO3 will react with the copper. So what will come guys? Which will give you a
Silver.
copper nitrate formula. Anybody? Cu?
CuNO3
twice, sir.
Then what? After saying me, you should not. CuNO3 twice plus what will come?
Ag.
Silver.
Before me, you should communicate. That is what I will expect always, you people. So, what is the correct answer for this? What is the correct answer?
D.
Option.
D, sir.
Option.
D, sir.
That is next. Option D is the correct answer. Next, bleaching powder is produced by bleaching powder, guys. Check it. So,
Action of chlorine on dry slaked lime.
action of chlorine on
On dry
On
slaked lime.
dry slate line.
lime. Is it yes or no? That is the direct question. Yes or no, guys? So bleaching powder.
Yes, sir.
So bleaching powder, as we know, slaked lime. What do you mean by slaked lime, guys? Slaked lime.
Calcium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
This is the reaction which is present at page number, I don't know, but it is under the electrolysis process down at last equation it is. Is it yes, guys? Page number also you people can say if you know, if you are very perfect in that. So that is what the reaction it is. Is it yes, Ra? What is the reaction? Can anybody say that? Please. What is that reaction? Anybody can say, check your textbook and you can say that. What is that reaction? So chlorine gas, Cl2, it is reacting with dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime means what will come? So calcium, what is that slaked lime, Ra? Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide.
No, guys. So calcium hydroxide, which will give you, what will give you, Ra?
Chloride, sir.
Yeah.
See.
Oxychloride.
Oxychloride.
Calcium.
CaO2.
CaO. Yes,
Cl2.
Cl2. Calcium oxychloride plus something will come. What is that? That's all.
Water, sir.
Water. That is very good. That is. So this is the reaction. So you can observe here. So action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. That is the reaction of producing bleaching powder. So bleaching powder, what is the scientific name? Yalamati, can you answer? Tarani, Varshini, Vensi. What is the scientific name? Akilar Fan? Calcium oxychloride. That is the scientific name of understanding. That is the scientific name of bleaching powder. That is very good. Next, indicators colors. Let me see how perfect you people are. So now select the
Sir, option B.
incorrect option. Now litmus paper. Litmus paper will be in purple color. Let me which is answer. So everybody answer correctly, please. This tabular column I forgot to give you. Now I will send you in group, guys. You can learn it regarding hydrangea also. Hydrangea and everything I will say you now. Please kindly learn it and remember it. Very, very important. So every time I am forgetting you to send. Now it's time to learn that. So I am sending you now. So please all of you learn that also. So now acid, bases and salts I am sending you. Please all of you note it down, those who don't know. So the flower extract of hydrangea plant, basically it will be blue in acidic medium. Please note it down. What is the color? Blue in acidic medium.
Blue.
Understanding? Blue in acidic medium. Next, pink in basic medium. Pink in basic medium. Pink in what color? Basic medium. Understanding?
Basic medium.
Next, neutral also it will be in blue color. Neutral also it will be in what? Blue color. Understand everybody?
Blue color.
So next means in the sense of remember. Understand, Ra? That is what you have to remember. Next. So if it comes to here, that is only next you can go for the water. Next, cabbage extract. Cabbage extract, what is the acidic medium? Acidic medium, it will be in red color. What is that? Acidic medium, it will be red color. Okay, guys. And basic medium, it will be in green color. Basic medium, it will be in green color. Please note it down. Yes, red cabbage juice, it will be in red color in acidic medium. Red color in acidic medium, not pink color. And basic medium, it will be in a green color. And in neutral medium, again, it is red color only. Okay, guys. Can I send you it in group? Can I send you it in group? For the better understanding. So that is what I'm sending you in group. You can see. So group, you can able to learn that. So all this litmus turmeric. Now, what is the correct answer? Anybody can answer. Now, turmeric juice. Turmeric juice.
B, sir.
Yes. Which one?
Option B.
Option B. So now you can see first litmus paper. Litmus paper, what is the acidic medium?
Red.
Litmus paper, it will be red and basic. Yes. So what is the correct answer now? Here you can see. So litmus paper, it will be red in acidic medium and it will be blue in basic medium. Next, flower of hydrangea. Flower of hydrangea. So acidic medium, what is the color of hydrangea, guys?
Blue.
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 But here what is there?
Color.
What is there?
Red color.
Red color.
Red
Then
color
what is
is
the correct
there, sir.
answer? What is the correct answer?
B, sir.
Huh?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, sir.
How you are answering option B?
Blue
I'm not
color.
understanding.
No, they are saying to select the incorrect option.
Correct option.
Incorrect option. Yes, very good. Okay. Then incorrect option means, so acidic medium, it will never change. Very good. So what is the correct answer? Sorry, I thought it is correct option. So select the incorrect option. Then what is the correct answer? Flower of hydrangea plant. It will be blue color here. Blue color in acidic medium. So it is green color. Sorry, pink color in basic medium. So that is why this hydrangea plant will be wrong answer. Are you understand, everybody? I have sent you in group. Have you noticed it? It came into the group, I think. Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the correct answer now here? Incorrect or incorrect one? Option B, hydrangea power. So now here, red cabbage juice, please remember, red color in acidic medium and green color will be in basic medium. And what is the neutral color?
Sir, red cabbage juice would not give pink in acidic, no, sir.
Yes, actually, but here they are mentioning pink also, but basically it will be in red color only. Please remember that. Okay, red color. And again, neutral also red color only. Is it okay, ma? Neutral also in red color only. That is you have to remember. Okay, Ra? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So what is the incorrect one? Hydrangea plants. Next, bee stings leaves. It is very easy. That already we have studied. Bee sting. Bee sting leaves
Methanoic
Option, sir.
an
Methanoic
acid which
acid.
causes pain and irritation. So that acid is containing what, guys? Bee stings.
Methanoic.
Methanoic acid.
Option
What
C,
is the
sir.
treatment, guys? What is the treatment for the methanoic acid? We have to treat it with what? Treatment.
Baking soda.
Huh?
Baking
What is the
soda.
treatment I'm asking? Huh?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Understanding? So baking soda is the treatment for Methanoic acid, understanding bee stings. That is what you have to remember. So one and only sting which will produce instead of acid base. What is that? Anybody can say? Strong base it will produce. What is that?
Wasp.
Wasp,
Sir,
sir.
wasp.
By the time you have to give the treatment with what? You have to give the treatment
Vinegar.
with acetic acid, vinegar. Understanding? That
Vinegar.
is- Yes. Next. Which of the following element is least reactive? This at least can you able to answer, please? Least reactive.
sir.
Arun Karthikeyan.
Silver.
Huh?
Silver.
Silver.
Silver, sir.
Very good. Please never call me a zebra. I like a Trojan. Call me a pretty girl. Silver. Directly we know that. Next. Next question. Last one for today's class. You can see. Observe the experiment. Identify the products formed in the above experiment. Very simple it is. What is this?
Calcium hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide. Directly. Is which reaction? Exothermic reaction. Is it yes or no?
Exothermic.
Exothermic reaction. So that is calcium oxide plus calcium oxide plus water will give you calcium hydroxide. That is what the reaction. Yes, guys? That's all.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is all. Let it be. With this, I will stop. Then you can get practice for your today's class, today's exam. Thank you, everyone.